Hello students, I'm going to model for you how to round on a number line. So on this first slide, we're going to round 38 to the nearest 10. So the first thing I need to do is to find the tens the number is between and place them on the number line. So 38 would be between 30 and 40. Next, I'm going to type the number that is exactly halfway between these multiples of 10. And when you see that phrase multiples of 10, that just means the numbers you'd say when you're counting by tens. So 10, 20, in this case we're using 30, 40, etc. All right, so the number that's halfway between them would be 35. Then the third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 38 on the number line. So if this is 35, and I can see that each one of these lines represents one more, then I'd have 36, 37, 38. So let's put 38 on the number line. And then next, I'm going to determine which 10 the number is closest to. So when we're rounding numbers, and if we're rounding to the nearest 10, we're trying to determine which one of these 10s our number is closest to. Well, clearly 38 is closer to 40. So that means that 38 rounds to 40, and we can type that in. Let me go ahead and show you another slide that uses some larger numbers. So we can round a 3-digit number to the nearest 10 as well. So here let's think about the number 254. Which tens is that number between? So it's between 250 and 260. Now what would be halfway between those two? 255. And now I need to think about where 254 would go on that number line. So each of these again is only worth 1, so 254 will go right here. Now I need to think which of the tens is 254 closest to. It's closest to 250. So 254 will round to 250. All right, now we're going to level up even more. And let's look at this one right here. So we have 1,254, and we want to round that to the nearest 10. So which tens is it between? Well, think about your tens place. If it's 54, it's going to be between a 50 and a 60. So I need 1,250 first and 1,260 over here. Now what will be exactly in between? I have 1,255. Where will this number go? So 2,050, this would be 1,251, 1,252, 1,253, 1,254. So if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, it's going to round to 1,250. So have fun working on these interactive slides and practicing rounding to the nearest 10.